If they saw what I saw, they would fall the way I felt. But they don't know what you want, and baby, I would never tell. If they know what I know, they will never let you go. So guess what? I ain't never let you go. 'Cause your lips were made for mine, and my heart would go flatline if it wasn't beating for you all the time. So if I get jealous, I can't help it. I want every bit of you. Guess I'm selfish. It's bad for my mental, but I can't fight it when you're out looking like you do. But you can't hide it, no. Put you in a frame, boo, baby, who could blame you? Glad your mama made you. You're making me insane, you cannot be explained. You must be an angel. Every time the phone rings, I hope that it's you on the other side. Wanna tell you everything, everything that's on my mind. And I don't want any other guy taking my place, girl, I got too much pride. I know I may be wrong, but I don't wanna be right. 'Cause your lips were made for mine, and my heart would go flatline if it wasn't beating for you all the time. So if I get jealous, I can't help it. I want every bit of you. Guess I'm selfish. It's bad for my mental, but I can't hide it when you're out looking like you do. But you can't hide it, no. Put you in a frame, boo, baby, who could blame you? Glad your mama made you. You're making me insane, you cannot be explained. You must be an angel. Put you in a frame, boo, baby, who could blame you? Glad your mama made you. You're making me insane, you cannot be explained. You must be an angel. Owner of my heart, tattooed your mark there for the whole world to see. You're the owner of my heart and all my scars. Baby, you got such hold on me. So if I get jealous, I can't help it. I want every bit of you. Guess I'm selfish. It's bad for my mental, but I can't hide it when you're out looking like you do. But you can't hide it, no. Put you in a frame, boo, baby, who could blame you? Glad your mama made you. Making me insane, you cannot be explained. You must be an angel. Put you in a frame, boo, baby, who could blame you? Glad your mama made you. Making me insane, you cannot be explained. You must be an angel. So if I get jealous, I can't help it.